Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well this morning. I believe that my life pretty much is an open book. I've been posting so many things about my life on YouTube, but I do believe that there are some things that people assume about me. An assumption is something that you believe to be true, even though you have not experienced that thing about someone. So today until April 20th, I want you to comment below under this video telling me what it is that you assume about me. What are some of your assumptions? This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, I love my family, and I love God. What do you assume about me?